let's do this first part here. So the relationship between the oscillator phase and the driving phase. Okay, so the first part is we're just going to play with this thing, right? So we're going to try these different periods. Notice that this is our driving. This is the little thing that's driving it. And what I've done on these guys is I've actually put in a force that is exerted on this thing. And it's, right now this force is 0. When that thing is up, the force is upward. When it's to the left, the force is 0. When it's down, the force is downward. Okay, and we can drive it. We can make this little force have any period we want. Okay, and these numbers here are the periods of these oscillators, right? So right now it's set to 1.6, which means this guy is going to oscillate, and these guys are going to be faster oscillators, and these guys will be slower oscillators, right? Okay, and that's because these guys are faster oscillators because they have a smaller period, right? Okay, so let's run this and see what it does. What we predict is that the 1.6, the one that has the same period as this, is going to have the biggest amplitude. Okay, and sure enough, it's like, whoa, that one's resonating, right? Okay, this is a bit like taking a piano and holding a note down without playing it and just singing that pitch. You can actually make that pitch resonate in the piano. Okay, so it's really very exciting about this, right? So let's stop this, reset it, and let's change this to 1.8. And now we're basically whistling this guy's tune, right? This guy should oscillate really fast. This guy should no longer oscillate really fast. We've selected the 1.8. Right? One of these things is gonna resonate. One of these things is not like the other. And we can stop and reset this. Obviously, don't think you need to watch any more of this video, but I'll for excitement here, I'll put it on 1.2. That makes this guy should resonate. Let's see. Yeah, 1.2 is very happy. Look at that. Whoa. All right. So that's the idea, right? Basically, all I wanted you to get from this first part here is that what's going on is that it just the one that you picked is the one that oscillates the most. Okay, and I'm going to stop recording this.